If you want to change icon colors on Realme GT 7T, the first thing that you can do is go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to wallpapers and style, and then you should be able to find icons setting. In this case, if you want to change colors, of course you can first try to use a different style. However, most likely you want to go to custom, because in this case you can also enable this option, adapt system colors. So when you turn this option on, as you can see, we can change colors of our icons, and we can press apply in order to use it. Now the color of icons will be synchronized with the color over here that we have in the color section. So let's say if let's go for example to wallpaper colors, and let's choose maybe this one, this dark green. So now, as you can see, colors are more darkish, and if we go back, they have been changed. Unfortunately, not every app, most of the third-party apps are actually not synchronized with this theme. So unfortunately, you will see some apps that are that didn't apply the same theme. But generally speaking, this is how we can change colors. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.